June 9. And these were the young ships. Is there an SR ship? Their house needed repair. I will definitely do it soon. This is the youngest born in the house, about 2 weeks old. The only one in the house, the youngest of all. Followed by the other one, so young. And this is born February, and today is June. And this is born June. May, let's call it May 20th. And that is the twin born. The twin air is almost following, is almost ready. Ladies and gentlemen, this farming guys. Let me open them to go out so that at least they can have a video. They know they will be out. And they will be happy to be out. Let them come one by one. That is the mother. 3 months, few months, the youngest. And all of them are out. The sides are this one. And today I will be showing you all of them are expectant. June. This is the twin born, was born around January, and that is the January ram, the long tail. And here is my friend Hillary, ever with me, walk with me, wherever I go, Hillary goes. It has been long since I showed you around, but today let me just show you a simple one. Those are the ships. And maybe it's not an S. My friend Hillary is ever around with me. Two young ones in the family, and they seem not to be ready to stop somewhere. They are still angry. This is the mother to the twins, and the twin bone is now so big, about 6 months old, so likely that one can be meat. I'll be having visitors soon, so the 6-month old should be now 6 months old will be the meat for the family. So I expect to have visitors anytime soon. That's the twin born mother. This one is expectant. As we talk now, she's expectant. She's also expectant. This is also expectant. Where is the baby for this one? This is the baby. This is the baby for that one. She's a female, so likely to be a very good source. And the baby for that one, where is the baby for that one? So that's not the mother. This is the twin born, and that was the mother. Unfortunately, the twin died because of. And this one looks so good. This is now the mother, the ram with some horns, has the mother around. So definitely, I say, we expect any delivery soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anytime I will be having almost 7 deliveries. or 7. This one will give birth. This is the youngest in the family. You have never seen it in the video. Followed by this is the oldest, youngest, and this is the most young. In English allows that one. And all of a sudden, they are moving, and my friend Hillary is here. Ever with me. And the geese will not take it light. They should chase the sheep away from the maize. And that way the geese are migrated. But the geese are tough. They are protecting their territory. The sheep have gone to eat their maize, and the geese are not taking it light. The geese are tough, can even beat the hand, and they are collecting some. Tokeni up. This is the fight for maize. So definitely simply means, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the father now in the home. This is the father in the family. And this is the twin born. Looking for the baby. I like it because it did not used to take care of the babies, but all of a sudden now it is a good carer. Actually, this is the first baby. 2 babies have died out of the mother. And that is the mother with the baby now. And it is becoming very caring. That baby has something to need some deworming. So this baby needs some deworming because you have seen what is happening on the throat. The throat are swollen, so needs some dewormers. So it really means need some deworming. So that one needs some deworming. I will be able to provide. This is the mother and the twin born. This is the only rare in the family. Expectant. So very soon I expect a number of deliveries from about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anytime I expect 8 deliveries, rippling from anytime soon, the next 1 or 2 months. So I expect 2 months, another 8 newborns. Ladies and gentlemen, and that's the sheep farming. Any question about the sheep farming? I track the age for the purposes of knowing how best to have them in the future. Those are my few sheep, and they have none. This is the watering point for the geese. Definitely the geese come for the water. The geese are very funny. This is born January, now 7 months old, so likely I will make it meet anytime soon. The day I will be making it meet, I will show you. I will definitely slaughter it to one of my best people. This is my family, but the best people. And this one will be meat anytime soon. Anytime soon, this one will be meat. So, and that is the beauty in this family. If you want meat, easy to get. So the youngest in the block with the mother, about 3 weeks old. And that is all about this farming. Questions about this type of farming, please ask me. Consider also subscribing to the channel. This one, I've given them some heavy tasks, but today I've prepared for them something good. I'm sure very soon this stuff, this will mean they are about to give eggs. I've prepared for them a live area so that the near future they will not. This one being packed simply means it's about to lay eggs. It means actually training English about to lay eggs. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is for the rabbits. I know they are now at this side. Let me put it here. Yes, those are rabbits coming. That I can chase away the rabbit, and you'll see how they'll come.